First we are gonna assemble our stock images to get our scene. Now let's start with the skyscrapers and try adding some stars using soft light blending mode. Now we are gonna use the skyscraper image for color and light matching. There are tons of ways you can use to color match objects. I used color balance and exposure to get the theme ready. In the next step I added some atmospheric fog using solid color with the help of fog brushes and screen blending mode. And I also added some extra banners to the city to make it look more appealing. Next I brighten up the banners using exposure and some contrast. Then to make the banners glow and emit light I used solid color on screen blend mode. Basically I used solid color in two ways. I also used blend-if to make the light fall off on the buildings. Now our background is almost ready, so now let's focus on our custom Nissan 35. First I used exposure to make the tail light brighten up. I also added some shadows using exposure. Then I used solid color on screen blend mode and blend-if to make the fall on the back of the car. I added two more blend-if to make the light fall on the ground. I used some more solid color and blend-if to make the highlights on the car. I also draw some rim lights on the car using solid color. Then I took a layer, set it on color dodge and turn off its transparency blending option to make the rim lights pop. I used fog brushes to make some volumetric fog to make the background a bit more real. Now for our main character, firstly I added some shadows using exposure. Then I draw some highlights using the same method I used on the car. Lastly I added some glow over the character using solid color on screen blend mode. Then I did the most important of any manipulation, which is color grading. You can do color grading using tons of methods. I used color lookup curves and gradient map. Then I ended it using camera raw filter and filter gallery.